Hi, I'm Annie Fitzsimmons. I'm your Washington Realtors Legal Hotline Lawyer, and today we are once again reaching into the Washington Realtors Legal Hotline mailbag to answer your questions. Broker is developing a team and wants to advertise in the name of the team without including the firm's name. Is that lawful? Pause. The answer to the question is broker can advertise in their name exclusively or in the team's name exclusively, meaning independent of any reference to the firm if and only if the team has an assumed name license. The team or the broker has an assumed name license. If there is an assumed name license, then the assumed name license must be procured by the firm. A broker who's licensed to the firm does not have authority to go to the Department of License and get an assumed name license. Only the firm can go to the Department of Licensing and get an assumed name license. The firm goes and gets the assumed name license, and then who owns the assumed name license? The firm owns the assumed name license. And that license will expire at the same time that the firm license expires. And the firm owns exclusive rights to that assumed name license, meaning that even if the team or the broker leaves the firm retains the control to be able to continue purchasing that assumed name license, even if that broker or team is gone, and then that broker or team could not have their new firm purchase that assumed name license through the new firm, because the old firm would still own that license. But notwithstanding everything I just said, understand that there are a lot of firms out there that have an office policy prohibiting a broker or a team from advertising independently of the firm's name. So even if you had an assumed name license, the firm might have an office policy prohibiting you from advertising independently of the firm's name. So be aware of that issue as well. If you have questions about assumed name licenses or any other topic, send an email to me at legalhotline@warealtor.org. Thank you for being a Washington Realtors member.